Okay, so here's how you can see our smart blinds in action. We have various commands for the individual windows or one whole room or to the whole house. So for our bedroom windows, we can just say, Alexa, close bedroom blinds, and they'll all go down together. We also have like a bedtime command or a morning command that will do these, as well as some of the lights, but these are just how we control the blinds on their own. So here I can say, Alexa, open bedroom blinds.
You guys will never believe what's gonna happen next.
Our Alexa's a little lazy today.
She's a little slow today. It's usually much faster. But they all do it at once. You can say different commands. We can do the whole house. It's pretty handy. I am completely converted. I did not want this technology, and now I love it.